Algebra 2, this is Chapter 5, Section 7, just kind of rules for making sure you're completely simplified and just a rule of thumb. So it has no negative exponents, so you may not have an answer that is x to the negative 1/2 power. You must write that as 1 over x to the 1/2 power, and then you'll have to multiply that by x to the 1/2 power, both top and bottom, to end up with x to the 1/2 over x. No negative exponents. Okay. A fraction, it has no fractional exponents in the denominator. So once we wrote it with the fraction in the denominator, we then had to rationalize the denominator and end up with our fraction in our numerator. It is not a complex fraction, so you can't have x to the 1 1/4. You can't do something like that. You need to write that as x to the 5/4 power. Okay? And any index of a remaining radical is the least possible number, so you can't have x to the 2/4 power, and you can't write it as x. That would be the 4th root of x squared. You actually have to reduce that and make it x to the 1/2, or write it the square root of x. So these would be right, these would be wrong, not simplified all the way. Okay, this would not be simplified, this would. Okay, and then rule of thumb again is if the expression starts with radicals, you end with radicals. If the expression starts with rational exponents, you end with rational exponents. Okay, you can transfer it in the middle if you need to, but you need to put it back the way it started to end the problem.